7. As if I see a it's working.
Watch out with the car back. Wait, you want the beer?
Are we going this way?
Then you're going to the statue and back?
Yeah, that's your decision. Your democracy.
Anytime when we get tired, we can take a taxi. So taxis are not far away. I just want a bit more sun in my face because we've not had much sun today.
Oh.
And once we go back,
then we are in for a treat.
Once we go back, the sun is on our back.
Yes. Oh, there's good beds here.
Oh, yeah.
I think they've all been allowed to extend the opening hours. Michelin, 2025. It's written there. It's a Michelin. They've got a Michelin star.
Ah, yeah. See. What's the name of it?
You can ask him.
Playa el Duque.
You see?
The food should be good there.
Food should be good. You take it off. Just work like all the other girls. They're all sleeveless.
Is it okay or this?
You do what you want here. Feel free to.
Put it underneath my bra.
That's ridiculous. Just leave your thing. You want to stand like everyone else, you do like everyone else.
It has the same name as a restaurant, eh? Playa Beach Playa.
Yes, it's getting sunnier. I can feel it in my hands.
It's too much to make a U-turn, I'm afraid. I'm not forcing you anything either.
just planning. That cake is as penalizing as my beer.
You need to burn it off by climbing this here.
No cheesecake anymore then.
You can see the end point.
Tiens, mais attends, mais mets ça.
I want to take a picture from it from here. Actually.
Look,
Zodiac.
we go like this, using this as a using this as a civilizing force, like in the cinema.
The colors of the water here are amazing.
Yeah, it's much more bluish. The sky makes it blue. Look where I... Where is he? Is he on my left? I'm trying to get him. I'm trying to get him to be on my...
Yeah, but we have the shade, you know.
Yeah, but where is he, the statue?
I think we cannot catch him with us.
I like it. Oh, this way.
Stylish family. Back?
Yeah. We are going home. It's too close.
It's perfect.
Are we going?
Yeah. So it's 5:15. Can you remember?
What?
5:15 when we make a U-turn.
Yeah, we'll be there at 7 or something. Because
We're very happy with my...
you anticipate that we'll be stopping at some point.
Yeah.